Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Swift Zxi to ACC or onto the infotainment boots. This ensures Bluetooth radio is live. Once done, enable Bluetooth on your phone and make it discoverable. Now on the car's head unit, open the phone or Bluetooth menu and select Add Device. This initiates the pairing handshake. You're doing this to let the car and phone exchange ID and security keys. Make sure you stay within a few feet so signals remain strong. Once the car appears on your phone, tap it. A PIN or code will appear on both screens. You must confirm the same PIN on the phone and the Swift's display. This prevents rogue connections. After you accept, grant permissions like contacts or media if you want calls and audio. Then pick the profile, phone for calls, media for music, or both. Wait until the head unit shows connected. This finalizes the secure key exchange and saves the device for future auto reconnect. You finish by testing. Make a call and play music to confirm audio and mic routing. If the phone won't connect, remove the Swift entry from your phone and clear paired devices in the car. This removes stale keys. Then retry the pairing process. Often that fixes mismatched profiles. If problems continue, restart the head unit or your phone and check for phone OS or head unit updates. These steps address software bugs that commonly block Bluetooth pairing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.